Most people think AI fails because the tool is limited. The truth is much simpler than that. AI does exactly what your structure allows. If structure is weak, output becomes unstable. Random prompts create random results every single time. Structured prompts create predictable output consistently. Professionals never start from zero. They start from tested frameworks. A framework reduces cognitive load immediately. It removes hesitation before writing instructions. Instead of guessing, you execute a pattern. Patterns create speed without sacrificing quality. Here is the shift you must understand clearly. AI rewards clarity more than creativity. When instructions are vague, output becomes diluted. When instructions are precise, output sharpens instantly. This is not about longer prompts. It is about intentional architecture. Every effective prompt contains 5 core elements. Context defines who the AI must become. Objective defines what must be produced clearly. Constraints define tone, length, and boundaries. Process defines how the AI should reason. Output format defines structure of the response. If one element is missing, performance drops noticeably. Most users skip at least 2 of them. That is why results feel inconsistent. It is not randomness, it is missing structure. Now think about repetition inside your workflow. How often do you rewrite similar instructions? That repetition is hidden time waste. Time waste compounds every single week. Instead, store optimized structures once. Reuse them without modification fatigue. This creates operational leverage immediately. Leverage multiplies effort without multiplying time. Advanced users move faster for one reason. They operate through systems, not improvisation. Improvisation feels creative but drains energy. Systems feel rigid but generate freedom. Clarity reduces friction in execution. Reduced friction increases productivity naturally. Start by refining 5 essential prompts only. Test them repeatedly under real conditions. Document improvements after each iteration. Refinement builds performance over time. Within weeks, you will notice speed gains. Within months, you will feel structural confidence. AI is not magic. It is structured amplification. Build your framework once. Then execute without hesitation.